Hey Joshua, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode is Phomemo right here, and basically what this is a label printer, a label maker that's from this brand right here. So the cool thing about this product is the fact that it's super portable, where you guys can actually use this almost anywhere you want to. And also give you guys the option to connect it onto your phone using Bluetooth to actually create the labels and everything out from here. And you can see on the slide right here, they provide you guys some of the features and specs that's on here. But basically once you guys download the app and connect it onto the device, they actually have a lot of different templates that's already set up for you guys on the actual product. So that way if you guys want to use it for like labeling stuff at your home, in the office, or even for your business, you can definitely use this however you guys want to. And for this product, I mentioned how they have an intelligent identification. So if you want to print stuff from Excel, or if you guys want to use your voice, or if you guys want to scan like a code on here, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. And then for this product, it's rechargeable, so you can definitely use like a micro USB cable to charge it based on what they mentioned. And probably one of the coolest things about this product is the fact that they mentioned it's super portable and really small. So that way it doesn't waste a lot of space and you guys can bring this with you guys anywhere. If you guys compare this to like your traditional label printers or label makers, this one's definitely pretty small. But I'm actually open this up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open the package, this is what it looks like right here. And then when you guys fully open up, this is basically what it looks like inside. So they basically provide you guys a quick start guide right here. And they also provide you guys instruction manual right here as well. And then right underneath that is the actual product. So let's take it out. Alright, so right here is the product. And then right underneath the product, they do have the USB to micro USB cable. So you definitely use that to recharge the product. And that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now let's take a look at the actual product. So you see how the product is all nicely wrapped. Let's take it out. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So here's what it looks like in the front. Here's what it looks like right here. Here's what it looks like on the side. Here is the other side. So on this side right here, they do have the slot where you have to plug in the cable. And right here is basically what the bottom part looks like. And here's what it looks like on this side. And then here is the bottom part. So basically right here is where the label comes out, and they have some sharp blades inside, so you definitely want to be careful. But basically once the label prints out, you can just peel it out. And right here on the side, and on the other side as well, this is how you guys take out the labels. So you guys open it up. You definitely see the label inside. Then you guys need to remove the tape to actually set it up. And for this whole part right here is removable, so you can definitely replace it with a new one if you guys need to. And then once you guys have it all set up, you guys can close it back up. And also if you guys look really carefully right next to this slot right here, they actually have this little hole right here, and that is basically the reset button. So if you guys ever need to reset the product, you can basically reset right here. And then in terms of the buttons right here, this is basically the power button to activate the product. And right here is the feed button. So if you guys want to turn it on, you just want to press and hold this button right here. Alright, so now it's on. So you can see right here is basically the screen that shows you guys everything on here. And basically on the screen it shows you guys the battery life, and it tells you guys how there's no paper in right now because we didn't set it up yet. But I'm actually connect this onto the app first, and then we'll actually set up the paper to show you guys how it works. So basically the app you guys want to download is called Print Master. If you can see, this is basically what it looks like. So I'm actually connect it onto the device first. Alright, so we just got connected. And you see once we connect it on the app, it tells me to check the paper because there's no paper inside. So I'm actually add the paper in first. Alright, so basically first thing I'm going to do is open up this part here and take this part out. Once you guys take this part out, you guys want to move this part right here. So go like this. Alright, so once you guys take this part out, you guys want to pull out the tape right here. Alright, so just like that, you basically want to stick this part back inside right here. And you guys want to close it back up. So just like this. And you guys want to put this back inside like this. Once you guys got that part set up, you basically want to set this up right here. You basically want to close it back up once you guys have it set up. Alright, so once you guys have that all set up, you guys can turn it on and start using it. Alright, so you press the feed button. But basically once you guys have it set up to the correct position, then you start using the product. Alright, so we got it all set up. Let's test it out and see how it works. So basically I want to go to the app, and I definitely have the option to use new, or I can use a template. So for this test, I'll use a new one. And it basically asks you guys about all this information right here. So I'll just use whatever is preset right here. And then here is the next page. So it teaches you guys how to use everything on here. So it'll give you guys option to use text, 1D code, QR code, icon, forms, pictures, line, shape, and etc. There's definitely a lot of different options available for you guys on the app. So I'll just put like a random QR code for now. And I'll probably just add like a little icon thing on there. Alright, so I just added a QR code and just a random date or time on here. So I'm actually just print this out and see how it works. So basically I want to click on the print button right here and ask you guys how many page or how many copy you guys need. And it also asks us which printer you want to use. So I want to click on this one right here and now connect it. So when you guys are ready to print it, just click on the check mark on top. So let's give it a try and see how it works. Alright, so you see the product definitely does work. So I printed out a QR code and also printed out the date and time on here. So you definitely see the product definitely does work if you guys want to print stuff on here. And it definitely gives you guys the option to do text on here, different icons, different characters, different shapes. You definitely have a lot of different options on here. And then basically once you guys are ready to use this product here, you can just peel it out and stick it wherever you guys want to, since it is a sticker. So you can totally see how this is actually really useful for people who want to like label stuff, whether you guys want to use this in your retail store, or if you guys want to stick stuff onto your package, or if you guys want to label stuff in your house. You can definitely use this however you guys want to. But this is basically how you use the product right here. Let me just plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it first. Alright, so I'll plug this in right here. And the other side will plug it inside right here. Alright, so you can see right there, it's showing that the product is charging. And that is basically how you guys know when it's charging. And also on screen right here, you can see that it's connected to Bluetooth. And also display all these other stuff as well. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to use this for like your business, whether you guys are doing retail or if you guys are doing e-commerce, or even if you guys want to get like a label maker or label printer to use at home or in the office, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. But basically if you guys want to use it in any of those situations, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one or have to want one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.